All of us know Robinhood is a heroic outlaw who stole from the rich and passed those stolen treasures on to the poor. Robinhood, the investing app, is built on a similar philosophy that everyone should have access to investing tools. By offering commission-free trading, they make investing available for those of us who don't have overflowing treasure chests in our homes. In this video we will talk about Robinhood, so you can decide if it's right for you or not. Welcome to Finance House, where money is talking and people are listening. If you have not subscribed yet, then you might be losing the opportunity to become future billionaire. So, make sure you subscribe the channel for future updates. Robinhood is an online investing platform offering commission-free trading on several US-listed investment types. Robinhood also has a high-yield cash management offering, but it's important to remember that the company mainly offers individual brokerage accounts. Robinhood was established in 2013 and is headquartered in Menlo Park, California. In 2017, the brokerage placed 7th on Fast Company's ranking of the world's most innovative companies. The company has raised $2.2 billion in funding, according to Crunchbase. In 2020, following the suicide of a young user who'd amassed significant financial loss from an options transaction, Robinhood announced that it was expanding its educational content on options trading. The company also hired an options education specialist and pledged to improve its user interface. Now let's look at the ways by which you can invest. Number 1. Stocks and funds. Robinhood grants you access to unlimited commission-free stock, ETF, and options trades. You can make trades using the company's web platform or mobile app. The brokerage provides mobile access for both iOS and Android devices. Robinhood also offers fractional shares. This means that you can purchase portions of stock in companies without paying the full share price. You'll only need $1 to get started with fractional shares. Number 2. Options. Robinhood's commission-free option trading comes with a notable perk: no per-contract fees. Many brokers charge under $1 per options contract, and some platforms use tiered pricing structures that charge lower fees for more active traders and higher fees for less active traders. But with Robinhood, you'll incur no such fees. It's worth pointing out, though, that options investing carries more risk than stock and ETFs. Robinhood offers options risk disclosures on its website. Number 3. Cryptocurrency. This platform's commission-free rule applies to cryptocurrencies as well. The Robinhood crypto service lets you trade an array of digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. You can use any funds you've deposited into your brokerage account to purchase cryptocurrencies through Robinhood Crypto. Number 4. Gold. Robinhood Gold allows you to trade gold on margin and access Morningstar professional research reports and NASDAQ market data. The account carries a $5 monthly fee, and you can make instant deposits of up to $50,000. You'll need at least $2,000 to get started. With margin trading, you're essentially borrowing money from a brokerage to invest in securities or other financial assets you can't afford. Your investments serve as collateral for the margin loan, and you'll have to pay back your borrowed funds. The first thing I noticed at sign-up was that Robinhood is offering free stock to every new member. I didn't even have to deposit any money. Robinhood promises a 1 in 150 chance of getting a high-value stock like Facebook, Microsoft for free. The sign-up was easy. I just provided my name and email address and set a password. I was then directed to a page requesting my mailing address. This information is required by the federal government when signing up consumers to new financial accounts. Next, you'll have to provide your social security number. As with your address, this information is required by federal law. Robinhood also asks for your level of investment experience. I chose none because I consider myself a beginner, but you can also choose from not much, I know what I'm doing, I'm an expert. To continue, you'll need to deposit some money. There's no charge to move money in and out of Robinhood, and you don't have to invest any of that money. There is no minimum requirement to fund your account, but insurance only covers up to $500,000. Next, you'll need to choose your bank account from the list and log into it to make the connection. My bank account wasn't on the list, so I had to submit a request for approval before I could proceed. If Robinhood can't process your information based on the data you've provided through this process, you'll have to upload a photo of your most recent government-issued ID to set up an account. Number 1. Margin traders. If you're interested in margin trading, you can upgrade to Robinhood Gold. You'll have access to $5,000 to $50,000, depending on your account balance at the time you make a deposit into your Robinhood account. If you use more than $1,000 of margin, you'll pay 5% yearly interest on the amount you use above $1,000. Number 2. New investors. As a newbie investor, I found the interface very easy to use. I loved that I didn't have to make a minimum commitment to start investing. I didn't have to invest at all. It freed me up to try the platform out before I made my first small investment. Number 3. Market researchers. With Robinhood, you can learn as you invest. The tools make it easy to research the stock market and various investments. I especially love the podcast, which lets me catch up on the latest financial news while I'm doing other things. Number 1. Retirement savers. If your goal is to set up an investment account to set aside money for retirement savings, Robinhood won't be the best platform for you. Robinhood doesn't offer any retirement savings options. Number 2. Those interested in dividend reinvestment. You won't be able to reinvest any dividends you make through Robinhood. Those funds are credited as cash, so you'll have to direct the platform where to spend them. Number 3. Bond and mutual fund investors. Although it's great that you can invest in cryptocurrencies, I was surprised you can't use Robinhood to invest in mutual funds or bonds. If you're looking for a platform for those investments, you'll need to keep searching. Now let's talk about advantages of Robinhood. Zero fees for trades. This used to be a big differentiator. Many other brokerages offer free trades now. But Robinhood deserves credit for dragging the industry into a new era in that regard. Accessible for everyone. In addition to $0 trades, Robinhood requires no minimum deposit and offers fractional shares. It doesn't set minimums for investing in cryptocurrency, unlike most other platforms that deal in digital currency. Robinhood makes it easy to invest even in the most expensive stocks without much capital. The easy button for investing. Opening an account takes minutes. It's possible to go from downloading the app to trading on the Robinhood platform in less than 1 hour. Deposits of less than $1,000 are instantly available to use. The charts and information are simple to understand, and it's easy to make trades. It even syncs with TurboTax to help you do your taxes. Intuitive app. Robinhood's app is the easiest way to watch the stock market that I've ever seen. It's intuitive and streamlined, creating a great user experience if you want to monitor stock prices and the performance of your portfolio. It's also easy to execute simple trades. High yield savings. Robinhood's cash management account currently pays 0.30% APY and automatically sweeps uninvested cash into savings. Clark frequently highlights that feature as a benefit of Fidelity, which does the same thing but currently pays only 0.01% APY. Robinhood's cash management account is insured up to $1.25 million and offers access to more than 75,000 ATMs. Free stock for everyone. Robinhood gives one free stock to new members and says there's a 1% chance that the stock it credits you will be valued between $50 and $200. You can also get free stock by referring new members. Now let's talk about disadvantages of Robinhood. Poor trading platform. The stock quotes on Robinhood's app and website seem to be delayed. The spreads between buy and sell orders for cryptocurrency often are larger than on other platforms. Robinhood's payment for order flow practices can prevent you from getting the best prices on trades. You can't place certain types of trades such as conditional orders. Its options trading function is clunky. Extremely limited customer service. Robinhood does not offer phone or live chat support. That's disappointing, especially considering the low barrier to entry for riskier types of trades and the relatively young and inexperienced demographic to which Robinhood caters. Lacks basic investment features. Robinhood does not offer access to mutual funds, IRAs, 401k accounts, shorting stocks, futures trading or joint accounts. Meager research capabilities. Fidelity Investments, Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade all offer superior research and educational tools. For example, Robinhood's watch lists and candlestick charts, which are basic monitoring and research tools for investors, are less customizable and offer less information than other online investment platforms. As most Robinhood reviews point out, It lacks research filters and trading analysis tools. Attracts uninformed investors. Robinhood offers the lowest barrier to entry. There are no account minimums and $0 trades. It makes smaller deposits available for immediate trading, and again, its app is extremely easy to use. All these features can serve as a beacon for those who want to eschew research and education and jump quickly into the deep end of the investing pool. Encourages more frequent trading. Its app is one of the most intuitive I've ever used. The clean, shareable charts of your portfolio performance make it tempting to check the app multiple times per day. It even displays confetti animation when you complete a trade. This can tempt some people into trading more frequently, just for the sake of action. It's hard to go wrong when you're investing with no fees and no minimum obligation. But if you're serious about getting started on building a portfolio, it can help to choose the right platform from the start. I find Robinhood a great choice because it's not only easy to buy and sell, but to keep an eye on my portfolio and the market overall. And if I'm missing something, then throw your thoughts in comment section, and if you found this video useful then make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time.